Welcome back for another lesson, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a science and English integrated lesson on jellyfish. So as you can see here, I have the reading for the topic on the jellyfish, as well as 4 questions. I'm going to go over all 4 questions individually, and then we'll look at the story and answer the questions. So if you want to read it to answer the questions, please pause it now. So let's pause now for several seconds. Question number 1 says, what temperature do jellyfish need to live in? These will not be in order, so you're going to have to read it and reread it to make sure you can find the answer in the reading. So again, if you've read it already ahead of time, if you look at the second sentence here, it says it doesn't matter the temperature of the water. So there's your answer for number 1. So you can answer it in various ways. I'm just going to say it doesn't matter what the temperature is. Number 2 says, name 2 colors jellyfish can be. So again, if you have good comprehension skills, I'm only looking for 2 colors jellyfish can be. So if we're looking here carefully, we can see here that their color can range from clear to red to even purple. And you saw me underline that, but in case you're wondering where it was exactly, that's where it is. Let's look at question number 3 now. How long have jellyfish been around? So we're looking at how long they've been around in its existence, not how many years the individual jellyfish lives, but how long the species itself has been around. These are not in chronological order, meaning, the first question isn't going to be at the beginning and the second in the middle and so forth. They're going to be mixed. And to demonstrate your comprehension skills, you have to look and see where it talks about how long jellyfish have been around. And we're going to go back. What is so amazing about jellyfish is that they have been around for 650 million years. So there's your answer. You can answer it along the lines of like, jellyfish have been around for 650 million years. Let's look at question number 4 now. Do jellyfish have a backbone? Do jellyfish have a backbone? And the answer can be along the lines of something like this. No, jellyfish have no backbone. Now I'm going to show you the next 4 questions, which are totally different, but they pertain to this reading here. Number 1 says, where can you find jellyfish? Number 2, what do jellyfish do in the deepest part of the ocean? Number 3, name 3 types of animals the jellyfish eat. And the last question, number 4, says, what animal likes to eat jellyfish? And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.